This is a boat that came in for a wiring issue. And it was because those wires right there were melted. And that's an aftermarket trim switch that was put on, and they put it on the wrong side right there, so they're running power through the switch that wasn't rated for a trim motor straight to power the trim motor. So they're running too much amperage to run the trim motor through a switch that it wasn't designed to do. It should have been wired to the solenoids back there instead of the way they did. But that's why it came in, because it smoked and the trim quit working. Said we'll evaluate it before we go any further. And first thing we saw was his lower unit was cracked. He said he also had a hub that was spun. The prop wouldn't turn, but what's happened is it's frozen with water inside the lower unit and pushed out, so the gears weren't meshing properly. And that's pretty obvious right there what that is. Well, we said we're going to do a diagnostic before we went any further and run a compression test on it. Well, it won't even turn one complete revolution. So there's some internal damage, it's a rod or whatever. So the wiring isn't his issue anymore. It's internal issues with the motor, where he won't even turn over one complete revolution, plus the fact that his lower unit's not going to work either. So this one is diagnosed.